Hi everyone, and welcome to SyncEzy's Simpro QuickBooks Time, or T-Sheets, integration demo. Before getting into a quick demonstration of how the integration works, I want to quickly run you through some of the benefits of using QuickBooks Time, or T-Sheets, with Simpro. It's a better timesheets app, so it can give you better GPS tracking, better notifications, automation, and photos. It can provide you with accurate job cost management. So you're able to track time to individual cost centers and can lock up those cost centers or open them up as the project progresses. The integration will automatically calculate overtime, so you can set up your overtime rules and have that apply to your staff as they log their time. The integration between these systems allows you to have a direct integration to Payroll. So whether you're using Xero, MyOb, QuickBooks, or any of 20 other payroll applications, you'll be able to quickly and easily pass those hours through to your payroll system. It also allows for simpler scheduling of Simpro projects with simple point-and-click scheduling, drag and drop, copy and paste schedules with the ease of a whiteboard. And there's also better time tracking, so you can track in 1-minute increments, apply various break rules, EBA rules, i.e. California breaks. Also there is a crew Kiosk clocking, manager approvals, manage PTO and leave, and better leave management and accruals. For staff entering their timesheets, they can either use the mobile app, which is simple and intuitive, or you can use the Kiosk app, with one device being able to log in many people at a workshop or on a remote worksite. So how does the integration work? So all the jobs, quotes, and activities get synced from Simpro across into QuickBooks into the jobs or customer section. Within each of those, you can drill down into the section and the cost centers and attribute time at a granular level. We sync employees, breaks, and RDOs across the two systems. And then once the timesheets have been approved in QuickBooks, we then pass those timesheets, overtime, leaves, photos, and notes across into Simpro. For all our integrations, we offer 24 hours a day, 5 days a week support via live chat, phone, and email. We are IPA SOC 2 Type 2 certified, and we've been that for the last 3 years. We're also certified by the App Defense Alliance as per the CASA protocol. So we've met stringent security requirements, and if your company has requirements around it for approval, we can make sure that we can meet those requirements for you. As a company, we are trusted by hundreds of customers worldwide to help them sync their data, and there are case studies available on our website to learn more. As you can see from these two examples, the integration saves time in terms of managing timesheets and payroll, and the support provided by the SyncEzy team has made setting up and using the integration a breeze. So let's take a quick look at how it appears in the systems. So as mentioned before, the jobs and cost centers from Simpro come across and are added to the jobs section. When a staff member goes to enter in time, they simply enter in the date that they're working on, obviously the start and end time they're working on that particular job, then they can select their job. Now they can either do this via job number or by job name. Once they open up that job, they'll then see any relevant cost centers, and they can then go through and select the appropriate cost center. Any of those cost centers can be turned off for either particular staff, or as the project progresses, you can turn off the ones which are no longer needed in terms of associating time. Once they then save this, that will then appear as a timesheet within QuickBooks Time. And as an administrator, they're able to go through, look up either an individual or all staff, and then see the appropriate time here. Once they then approve that time will then automatically be sent across to Simpro to appear on the timesheets and against the relevant project. So let's jump into Simpro and see how that looks. So on the timesheets page, we can see the hours that have been approved and have come across. And if I then go into the job, I can see the hours coming across here as well. If you require notes, then any notes they enter will appear in this section against the job. And you can then see the labour hours appearing. Now, there are many other benefits to QuickBooks, including the GPS tracking, which we'd love to show you. So if you'd like to know more, please don't hesitate to contact us. Just jump onto our website and send through a request, and we'll get in touch with you. Thank you for your time. Bye.